I'm Madhu Rao and I'm a consultant orthopaedic surgeon at Goring Hall Hospital here in Worthing. Osteoarthritis can be a debilitating condition with pain and loss of function in your joints with reduced mobility. Although it can be managed without surgery, the definitive treatment for osteoarthritis is a joint replacement surgery. I offer both hip and knee replacements here at Goring Hall Hospital using advanced techniques that offer better results. For hip arthritis, I practice minimal invasive hip replacements which result in less damage to your muscles during surgery, leading to quicker recovery and more normal feeling hip. After a minimal invasive hip replacement, we get patients on their feet the same day and they go home the following day. For knee replacements, I offer a choice of advanced implants which are more personalized to your individual anatomy than conventional implants, leading to a more normal feeling knee. We use enhanced recovery pathways to get you moving on the same day as your operation and get you home within 1 or 2 days. If you'd like to come and see me for consultation, you can book in online or contact Goring Hall Hospital directly.